My name is Katie Cantimwala. My name sign is Katie. I teach ASL here at Winter Springs High School. So my goal for all ASL classes is total immersion. So from when the students enter the classroom, their voice off, so they know this is a deaf-friendly area. I typically focus on a chunk of words every week. So I'll teach and review, practice, we play games, we mingle, we do interviews, partner work, just to help them immerse themselves in the language and the culture.
So for our deaf chats, typically in the Orlando area, we only have 2 places that students go to. It's the Oviedo Mall and Altamont Springs Mall. Those are the first Friday of every month, and those are the second week of every month. And pretty much students come from Haggerty, Lake Howell, Winter Springs, and we come and we chat in the food area, and we only sign to each other. And we are able to chat with students from all over the area, but also deaf people. And we just go around and chat and have a good time.
So the World Language Festival, we have awards kind of set up in the classroom. The World Language Festival is typically every year in February. And it's when all of the different high schools come together and they have all the different languages we're learning and teachers are teaching, and they show their skill with the language they're learning. So the awards are from students who perform their language, and they have to do certain topics and in that target language.
Since my freshman year, my teacher has always encouraged me to become involved. I was really not a social person. I didn't have many friends, but she always encouraged me, told me I was doing good in class, and she's the real reason I know so many of the people I know today. I have all my friends, basically. She's just always encouraged me and always encouraged both learning and connecting with other people through ASL.